flood forecasting. In Vietnam, we often have rainfall and flood. It caused a lot of damage, a lot of life, crop destroy, and transportation disruption and infrastructure damage. I think this problem will be occur in some other country, and how we can use AI to mitigate this problem. In this proposal, we will deploy a mobile application that leverage AI model to analyze the real-time data and provides alert to local authority, resident, and tourist entity when they have any potential of flood. So that's our solution. And in order to deliver our proposal, we also have a 4 milestone because the approaching is quite similar but different in data and AI model. So we also have a 4 milestone. The first one will be data analytic and planning. The second one, we will use the AI model. We select which model is the best in this case. And then when we have an AI model running, and we will onboard the AI model to our platform, and we optimize and maintenance. And this is the top, the bottom of each milestone is a code and the duration per milestone. Normally in 4 weeks, or we can consider it a month, a second month and third month. And optimization and maintenance, it will last for 10 weeks. And this is a code, breakdown cost, breakdown budget. We also have a reserve budget for service host and API core, which meet the funding requirement. In this proposal, we have 5 members. Project is initiated by Dr. Khanh and have a support from Dr. Lee. And myself and Phong Chen will support in application side, and Lick will support in the data analytics. That is my second proposal, our second proposal. If you think our proposal can save life or can help any area that were damaged by flood, let's vote fast. Thank you very much.